Hello everybody. Today I will be talking about one of the phase of data preprocessing that we have to do before data mining of the data. Data mining, we know that is the process of extracting hidden knowledge from huge volume of data. And in order to extract knowledge, information, patterns from data, we need clean, accurate, reliable, consistent, complete data. So there are different steps, different processes that are performed on the data before doing data mining. We have to prepare the data. In this video, I will be talking about data reduction. That is the one important task we have to do during data preprocessing. Processing of data is affected by the volume of data. More data means more processing time. Data mining algorithms consume lots of time, and if the volume of the data is very big, in that case definitely processing time will increase. So we have to think, how can we reduce the processing time? If we can reduce the volume of data, in that case we will be able to reduce the processing time also. So it is necessary to check if we can reduce the volume of the data. If possible, we have to do that. There are several methods that can be used to reduce volume of data, like transforming data given in one format or range into another format or range. For example, let's suppose these are the data given, the 1000, 22,000, 12,000, that can be converted into 1, 22, 12 by dividing each number by 1000. Here 4 digits, 5 digits numbers are reduced to 1, 2 digits. That means we are reducing the size of the data by dividing given data by some specific number. In case of strings, we can write abbreviations for long form strings, or we can write a symbol to represent some text. Here for female we can write yof, for male we can write yum. In this way we can reduce the volume of the data. And another important thing what we can do with the data is we can check if there is some kind of correlation between attributes. Some attributes may be correlated with each other. Suppose there are two attributes x and y, and we know x and y are related to each other. In that case we can remove one of the attribute, and by removing the attribute we can reduce the volume of the data. That means we can enhance the processing time. So in this video we will see what are we supposed to do to check whether two attributes are related or not. We have statistics. In statistics we have correlation coefficient. Using correlation coefficient we can know whether two variables are related or not. Correlation coefficient is calculated using some statistical formula, and it is basically represented by r, and if the value of r is 1, then we can say variable 1 and variable 2 are highly correlated. That means if the value of variable 1 increases, then the variable 2 will also increase. If the value of r is 0, in that case those variables are not related. If the value of r is -1, in that case variable 1 and variable 2 are negatively related. That means if the value of variable increases, then value of variable 2 will decrease. Okay, so we have to know how to calculate correlation coefficient between two attributes, and for this I will be talking about Python program. Okay, we can use NumPy to calculate correlation coefficient. In NumPy we can find CORR method that takes two lists as argument. There are other optional arguments also, and using this coefficient method we can calculate the value of r. Now let's see how to do this in Python. Okay, for this we have to import NumPy as np. Okay, then let's declare some array or list. List1 is equal, okay, I can do like this, height it's igst b. Okay, let's suppose height be 66, 77, 88, 655. Okay, this is, let's suppose these are the value of height. Then weight be Let's suppose we are having two lists. One is weight, another is height of some people. Now we can calculate the correlation between these two variables. Okay, now what we have to do is matrix is equal to np dot coef, then HCI height first list, weight is the second list. Okay, then we can print matrix. Okay, let's save this. Okay, I have saved this file. Now let's re-execute this. Now you can see, okay, this is the value of the R correlation coefficient, 0 minus 0.02299. So from this value what we can say is, if height increases then the weight will decrease. This is what our data is saying. So using this numpy we can calculate the correlation coefficient and check if two attributes are related with each other or not. Okay, so if we can find that two attributes are related, positively correlated, in that case we can remove one of the attribute and reduce the volume of the data. That will help us to decrease the processing time. Okay, in this way we can use this numpy. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.